Hey there, it's Lenny McGill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop right here in the amazing Nashville studios today, and I've got another really cool product to show you. The Radian Ramjet has been so popular. It's a fantastic item, and it's well designed, well received. I mean, it's just amazing. Now, the idea is that it's a compensator for your gun that does not require a threaded barrel, which is really cool because some states don't let you have a threaded barrel. But that said, it's a really good idea, and other companies have decided, well, hey, I can do something like that too. And this is an exact example for a Glock 43X. This is a Glock 43X. It is, in fact, empty. There is no ammunition on this table, and there are no loaded magazines, so now I can work on this gun. I suggest you kind of do the same thing whenever you're working on a gun. This is it. It's really cool. It's a unique locking system for a compensator that does not require a threaded barrel. So it's really simple. So here's the barrel. It's got these locking lugs on it. Here's the compensator. Like I said, this thing is really simple. It's like, wow, I wish I thought of that. And it goes on, and that's it. Just like that. So it goes on and locks in place. So here's how we do this. We're going to go ahead and disassemble the Glock 43X. First objective is to put my hand up on top, pull down on the slide lock on both sides, hold down that slide lock, and walk the slide off. Boom. Remove the guide rod and the barrel. All right, now we're going to replace the barrel with the Icarus precision barrel with the locking lugs there, right? Okay, so we're going to put that in there. Now, I don't want to seat it all the way yet. What I want to do is push it out just a little bit so I can get those lugs available to me. And then I'm going to take my compensator and I'm going to line it up perfectly. Now, sometimes it goes on backwards, you know, so I got to make sure. So I'm going to come in like so and then give it a twist. If I came in the other way, like this, you're going to see what happens. It's going to go upside down. So I did that mistake a couple times. Oh, now, but I know now to come in like this and lock it down. Now, you'll see that as I put the barrel back in position, it's going to lock itself and look pretty good around the nose of that G43X. I mean, this is such a simple item, but effective because it's doing the same exact thing that you need a compensator to do. It's jetting the gases out of the top of the port here that will help reduce muzzle flip and felt recoil in your hand. So now I'm going to take the guide rod and stick it back in here. Okay, and make sure it's all seated properly, and there you go. And now here is the standard barrel. I want to put that away and make sure I save that because I may want to use it sometime. And line up my rails, and voila. And that's what it looks like, just like that. And again, it's the same concept, but just a little simpler. I mean, really, it's just that much simpler that it really requires no real gunsmithing. It just drops in, give it a twist, and it locks in place. So there it is. That's the Icarus Precision compensator for your G43X that requires no threaded barrel. And again, as more and more products are being developed, other ideas come into play. People say, oh, I can do that a little differently. They're not infringing on anybody's patent. It's the same concept, but just applied in a different way, and it's going to help reduce recoil and muzzle flip on your Glock 43X. I'm Lenny McGill. This, of course, is the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop here in Nashville, Tennessee. Now, listen, we are just 2 miles from the airport. So we invite you to come down and check out the store. It's a fantastic store. We've got our Shoot 270 shoot rooms and every Glock part, piece, and product that you can imagine. I'm Lenny McGill. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.